poisoning is occurred by eating or drinking food contaminated with bacteria, viruses, and parasites. It usually happens when there are large events and the food is not prepared properly or it's damaged or spoiled. Symptoms of food poisoning: vomiting, diarrhea, stomach cramps.
Two students have just finished their meal. One of them starts feeling nauseous, complains of stomach cramps, and appears visible weak. The other student notices and asks, "Are you okay?" The affected student suddenly vomiting and say, "I feel dizzy, my stomach really hurts, and I think something bad."
Anong kinain mo?
First is pahigain ng biktima sa kanyang kaliwang tagiliran. Second is painumin ng Orisol.